Hey there, coffee lovers. Logan here, professional barista for MajestyCoffee.com, and today I'm here unboxing the Vario home grinder from Baratza. Gonna show you what's inside the package and give you a few specs and features. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's break into this. Alright, so we got a really nice box within this bigger box. I'm just gonna put this onto the ground and lift this back up. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's inside. Some really beautiful packaging here. Alright, so let's see what we got inside this next one here. We got instruction manual there. Really nice, easy to read. We're gonna set this on the ground. Really well packed, just efficiently packed in here, which is the one thing I was reading. They took away a lot of the extra plastics and unnecessary foam. This is what I would assume to be the body of the grinder here. Set these to the side. All right, let's start with the body. Wow. Oh wow. Beautiful solid build quality. Look at that. That's really nice, really solid feeling grinder right out of the box. Wow. Yeah, really nice weight to it. Will sit nicely on your counter. In here, as I imagined, is the hopper. Inside there is also a tool to remove your top burr to do your cleanings, which I'm really interested to give that a try. It looks like a very simple solution to your nightly cleanings. Inside here, you also have that non-stick chamber to catch your grounds. Very cool. And then in this little box, let's see what this is. It's your tool for adjusting the burrs to go finer or coarser. And this is really cool. They make that very easy for you. There's that nice tool there. Very nice and heavy. A major commitment from Baratza is that everything with this new redesign is going to be much heavier materials, so you can just swap out parts instead of ever having to throw your grinder away, which should never be a thing. All right, so let's just lay all those pieces out and then plug this in and show you what we've got going on. Satisfying. So here it is out of the box. This is the Vario from Baratza, which has been swapped out for the Vario Plus. They have quite a few similarities, so we're just gonna go over what comes in the Vario and the differences between that and the newer Plus model. So the Vario and Vario Plus have this really great system here from Baratza that they've basically patented, and it's gonna run you 230 different options in adjustments of grind. On the Vario, it was espresso all the way down to a coarse drip coffee, and with the new Vario Plus, it's gonna go all the way to French press, which is really awesome. Included with this machine is gonna be this portafilter holder and also this anti-stick chamber for your grounds. We also have this really nice tool to unscrew your top burr for cleanings. And then we also have this other tool here, very heavy and very nice, to make extra adjustments to your grind if you want to go finer or coarser. A nice instruction booklet here. The Vario Plus is going to run 1350 RPMs at 130 watts. Boasts 54mm flat ceramic burrs to give you precision grind. A nice backlit LCD display with 3 different settings that you can program. There's also a continuous start-stop button as well. On the newer model, a few of the differences, there'll be really great barista lights down here to show you your grounds. The inside chamber has been updated to a harder metal, and these buttons on the side will also be made of metal just for a nicer feel. So the Vario and Vario Plus models from Baratza are going to be a sturdy, awesome, mid-range option for home brewing. Baratza being a very well-known brand for taking care of their customers, the newer updated models using all high quality materials, so you'll never have to throw your grinder away. You can always replace your parts. So if you like what you see here, head on over to MajestyCoffee.com after the video to check out grinders like the Baratza Vario Plus and many more options. Our friendly customer support is standing by via live chat and phone to help you make the right decision. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, comment any questions you may have, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll see you next time.